Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so welcome to 6th class IIT Physics online class. Last class what we discussed? We discussed about area, is it? We discussed about area. What is area? Area is the amount of surface occupied by any object or place. What is area? Area is the amount of surface, okay, occupied by any object or place is called area. Then what is the SI unit of area? Square meter. Area SI unit is square meter. Then multiple units are there. A very large area is measured in what? Hectare, square kilometer, is it? Next submultiples are there. Square centimeter, square millimeter, is it? These are submultiple. So these are the units of area. Then again what we discussed? We discussed about the regular figures. How to find the area of regular shapes. Regular shapes means what? Shape with definite size, shape, pattern. They are known as regular shape, like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, is it? Trapezium. That all are regular shapes. So we have a definite formula to find the area of regular shape. As they are of definite shape and size, so there is a definite formula to find area of regular shape. But you will see there are so many things around us. All the things are not in regular shape, no. There are some shapes, regular shape objects. There are some irregular shape objects. Means objects which is not having any definite shape and size, any pattern, that is called irregular shape. Example, suppose one leaf you take. Is it a regular shape? No. So that, like that object, how to find the area of irregular object? So that one we will discuss today. Okay, so what is our topic? Today's topic, area of irregular figure. How to find area of irregular figure, irregular objects. So we can find irregular objects area by use of graph paper. Graph paper, you know, no children, huh? Graph papers will be there. In that every that is divided into the square boxes. One square box dimension is 1 centimeter. One square means all sides are okay. When you see graph paper, please take one graph paper in your hand and observe that. Okay, there are, that graph paper is divided into so many square boxes. One square box, like that you consider one square box. Like this, one square box you consider, and check the dimension by use of scale. You will see every side will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That is in shape of a square. So all sides are equal. Each side will be 1 centimeter. So what will be the area? Area will be, okay, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is 1 square centimeter. Area of one square box, one complete square box area, this one complete square box area will be 1 square centimeter, is it? So by use of graph paper we can find out area of irregular objects. So suppose one leaf, okay, take one leaf. Try to do this one in your house, okay. Take one leaf, okay, take one paper, graph paper, keep on that leaf on that, draw its outline. Okay, take one graph paper, take one leaf, keep the leaf on that graph paper and draw its outline. Clear? Then remove the leaf, and that outline, after drawing that outline, you see that leaf covered how much area. We can find out the how much area is covered by the leaf by use of this pattern. Okay, so see, area of irregular figure can be found by use of what? By use of graph paper. Okay, so first what you will do? First you had to see how many boxes, complete boxes is covered. Before it, area of one complete square, already we discussed. Now complete squares are there, that will be n. How many complete squares? That is n. So this leaf is having how many complete square? You can see in this leaf only one. Number of complete square, how many? 1. Then number of half squares, you will see that outline when it is crossing through the boxes, some box will be full completely comes inside the leaf, some will be exactly half will be divided, some more than half, some less than half. Is it no? So we had to find out the total data. First, how many complete squares? So one complete square. How many half? So you will see this one and this one, these two exactly half, okay, cut by the outline of leaf. 2 half squares. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Is it or not? Half square plus half square. How much? 1 half plus half? 1. How much? 1 half plus half? 1. Like that, how many half squares? Suppose 4 half squares are there. 4 by 2. Okay, what is the formula? N by 2. 4 half squares are there. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, suppose 6 half squares are there. You have to check it. How many half squares are there? Suppose 6 half squares are there. So 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay, so how many half? How many boxes are more than half? You can say this one is more than half. Here, this is also only little bit only cut. This is more than half. This is more than half. This is more than half. Total 5 more than half boxes there. Is it or not? Okay, that is n. One box that is more than half comes under one box that is more than half comes under, means little bit only cut, so that one you have to consider as full. Suppose 5 more than half boxes are there, so 5 only have to complete, you have to consider. Then less than half, how many are there? You see this part is less than half, then this part is less than half, this is less than half, this is less than half, this is less than half. Here also small part came less than half. Which is less than half, that one you have to ignore, that one you should not consider. Clear? Which are less than half, less, very less part only came, less than half. This one very less part, this very less one you have to ignore. So total area is how much? Complete square 1, that is n, then half square n by 2, then full square what? N. Okay, more than half you have to consider full, more than half you have to consider full, that also comes under n. So which is less than half, that one you have to ignore. So full how many came? 1. Then half how many are there? 2 are there, so 2 by 2 1. Then more than half how many are there? 5 are there, that will be considered as full only, so 5. Less than half not considered. So total how much? 7 square centimeters. So area of this leaf is 7 square centimeter approximately. Approx value, this is 7 square centimeter approx value. Clear? So like this we can find out area of irregular figure. Clear? I hope you understood. Okay, please write down this, that graph paper. So next children, see our next topic is volume and its units. Volume, what is volume? See, when you will see the things around you, there are two-dimensional things are there, three-dimensional things are there. What is this two-dimensional and three-dimensional? Okay, the thing which is having only length and breadth. Okay, example, something you draw on this board, it will have only length and breadth but no height. Okay, that things will be two dimensional, whereas the things which is having length, breadth and height, all the three, example this duster having length, breadth and height. Okay, length is there, breadth is there and height is there. That is called three dimensional objects. So your book, your notebook, pen, your pen, okay, this TV, all the things which is having length, breadth and height, all the three dimensions, that is three-dimensional object. So three-dimensional objects occupy some space. Wherever you will keep that thing, so it will occupy some space. That is called its volume. So what is volume? Volume is a space occupied by a body. In the space, the total space occupied by a body is called its volume. Okay, what is volume? Unit of volume is what? SI unit of volume is cubic meter, because volume, how to find volume? Length into breadth into height. There will be a general formula to find the volume, length into breadth into height. So length, breadth and height, all are the lengths only. So meter into meter into meter, that is cubic meter. SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Other units are there, cubic centimeter, clear, cubic millimeter, then liter, deciliter, length into breadth into height. There will be a general formula to find the volume, length into breadth into height. So length, breadth and height, all are the lengths only. So meter into meter into meter, that is cubic meter. SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Other units are there, cubic centimeter, milk. This all we can find its volume. How? By we measure it in liter, milliliter, is it? So there is some relationships are there, we have to see here. Meter, cubic meter, relation with liter and milliliter, you have to see this one. Remember this, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. Suppose we find the relation between cubic meter and cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter means what? Cubic means 3 times multiply. 1 cubic meter, 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Is it 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100, 100. So 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, 10 lakh. That is 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. How many centimeters are there? See, meter cube means meter, meter, meter. That we converted into centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So cubic centimeter, 10 power 6 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter equal to 10 power 6 cubic centimeter. But what we saw here, 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter, 1 milliliter is equal. So 10 power 6 cubic centimeter is 10 power 6 milliliter. It means 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 power 6 milliliter. Once again you understand. First when you will see the injection, then the description will be there, cc will be mentioned. How much its volume, the liquid volume is how much, that will be given in cc. Cc means cubic centimeter. It's a small unit of volume. Clear? So cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. This one very important relation you have to remember. 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liter. Clear? Next, 1 cubic meter means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liter. Clear? Next, 1 cubic meter means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So how much 100 into 100 into 100? 10 lakh. That is 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. So 1 cubic meter equal to 10 power 6 cubic centimeter. As 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter, then 10 power 6 milliliter equal to 10 power 6 cubic centimeter, is it or not? So in place of 10 power 6 cubic centimeter, I have written 10 power 6 milliliter. So it became a relation, 1 cubic meter equal to 10 power 6 milliliter, or 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liter, because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. That's why 10 power 6 milliliter or 10 power 3 liter. Clear? Now next we are going to see how to find volume. Okay. A birthday cap, take out birthday cap. It will be in which shape? Like this, cone shape. Is it or not? Birthday cap in a cone shape will be there. That is a regular shape. Okay, take one eraser and see its shape, cuboid shape. Is it? So there are some regular shape objects will be there around you. Some irregular, like take one stone. One stone, no shape, no definite shape. So that is irregular shape. So to find volume of regular shape object and irregular shape object, different methods are there. Now we are discussing volume of a regular shaped object. So to find volume of regular shaped object, we have some definite formula. Clear? So now we will see that one. There are so many regular shaped objects. In that, few common are, I am showing you now. First one is cube. First is cube. Breadth and height all are equal in length. So all length will be equal. Cube. The surface of a cube is just like a square. Square all sides are equal. Like that only cube also, its surface will be like a square shaped surface. Okay, all edges are equal, length, breadth, height, everything will be equal in length. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Suppose I consider A, so A into A into A, that is A cube, cubic A cube, cubic unit, cube. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Suppose I consider A, so A into A into A, that is A cube, cubic A cube, cubic unit. Cubic unit means if it is mentioned in centimeter, then cubic centimeter. If it is mentioned in meter, then cubic meter. If it is mentioned in millimeter, then cubic millimeter. That is cubic unit. What is your unit? Meter or centimeter or millimeter, like that cubic. Okay, cubic meter, cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, like that. Formula what? Side into side into side, because all edges are equal in length. Clear? Next shape is cuboid. Cuboid shape. Cuboid shaped object. You see a cuboid shaped object, like your box, pencil box, you take cuboid shape object. So its length, longer side is known as length, shorter side known as breadth, and height. Clear? Length, breadth, and height. So volume volume unit will be always cubic unit. Clear? So volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Next, just like this. This is called height of cylinder. This is radius of cylinder. Radius means at its center, the center point. Okay, cylinder, you see up one circular surface will be there. Cylinder up surface will be circular surface, and bottom surface also a circular surface. Up one circular surface, down also circular surface. So here this one radius, this will be radius, center of, okay, center of this circle is center. Here to here, when you will join, you will get radius. This is radius. This is a radius of cylinder. Then this point to this point, upper circular shape center to bottom circular shape center, distance is called height. Clear? So this is a cylinder. Clear, children? So this is radius, this is height. So what is the formula? Next comes to cone. Cone, you see. Okay, birthday cap, a correct example for cone. All of you saw this cone. Cone is also having one circular shape like this at the bottom. This is the center to here. This is called radius. Okay, then after like this will be there. This point to this point is known as height. Clear? This is cone. Cone formula is volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. It means cone volume is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Is it not? Cone volume, cone is 1/3 of a cylinder. See, I will show you. This is a cylinder. Just this part and this part when you will do, see, this became just this part and this part when you will do, see, this became cone. This is one of the part of cylinder. Is it or not? Like this, see, here take one point and join like this. This became cone, which is one of the part of a cylinder. How much part? 1/3 part. Cylinder's volume and cone value when you will compare 1:3. Cone volume is 1/3 of cylinder's volume. Clear? Next we comes to sphere. Sphere, like a ball. You have ball, okay, ball, planet. These all are the shape of a sphere. Sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic unit. 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic unit. Please note down, children, and draw the figure also neatly. Figures draw with pencil, neatly draw and write the formula. These are the volume of regular shaped objects. Now volume of irregular shaped object, we can find there is a different method is there. That one we will discuss tomorrow. Clear? So today what we learned? First we learned area of irregular object, how to find. So area of irregular object we can find by use of graph paper. Clear? Then we saw what is volume. Volume is what? Volume is the total space occupied by any object. Which type of object? Three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object means what? A object is having length, breadth and height, all the three dimensions. That is called three-dimensional object. That object will be occupy some space. The total space occupied by the object is called its volume. Then SI unit is cubic meter. Other units are cubic centimeter, liter, milliliter. Different units are there. Clear? Then we saw the relation. Next what we saw? Volume of regular shaped objects. How to find. Next class we are going to see volume of irregular object. How to find. And what work I have given? I gave take one leaf, one graph paper and find out the area of the leaf by using graph paper. Already the method is explained to you. Thanks for watching.